All right, good morning, class. So today is Monday, the 2nd of March, and we're going to be going over your work that you've done so far. All right, on page 88, we're talking about vacations and the kind of place you can stay, accommodation. So the accommodations listed in the text of those kids saying where they're going to go on holiday. There are hotels, there's camping being mentioned, an apartment, and maybe a boat, because if they take a boat trip, then it could be said that the boat trip might be more than one day, and if it's more than one day, they sleep on the boat, it's an accommodation. So sometimes boats can be temporary accommodation. All right. Next, here are all of the holiday activities: windsurfing, sailing, whale watching, ice skating, roller skating, camping, tennis, swimming, and sightseeing. Okay, types of sports facilities. Theme park might not be a sports facility, but in this case, it's got an ice skating rink and a roller skating rink, so I'm classing it as a sports facility. Tennis court and swimming pool. Features of the landscape: coast, beach, mountain, which is Mount Fuji, hot springs, and island. So compound nouns, basically the nouns that you put together to form expressions. Boat tour, tour boat, boat trip, sightseeing tour, sightseeing trip, tennis court, day trip, day tour, whale watching, water sports, theme park, swimming pool, and ice skating. You can pause the video if this is too fast for you and just check the answers that you have. Okay, now next bit of grammar. The use of gerunds or ing forms of verbs after the following verbs. So guys, in the book, they don't use the term gerunds. They say ing forms. I just like to use gerunds because it's more specific, shorter, more compact. So whenever I say gerund, it means ing form. Sitting, flying, jumping, all of that, okay? All right, so use gerunds after things like enjoy, don't mind, like, love, prefer, don't like. So basically, any time that you express your preference, like how you would like things or how you wouldn't like things, you could say also hate is one of them, or detest, or adore. So basically anything that expresses preference. If you use another verb after that, it's the ing form. Some examples: I enjoy eating steak. I had a lovely steak last night. Enjoy eating steak. He doesn't mind going to work, doesn't mind going to work. She likes traveling around the world. They love making art. And we prefer eating seafood over red meat. Okay, so those are your examples. Now for the next little bit of homework. Exercise 4 in your course book. It's not a lot of work. Just get exercise 4 in your course book done. And then to practice our grammar, we go to the workbook, page 62 and 63. You might think that's a lot of work, but it really isn't that much. Just those 2 pages by Wednesday. Thank you very much. Goodbye, class.